Hey, good day, boys and girls. Happy New Year to you all. It's Chuck in a van in Vancouver. Actually, we're not in Vancouver. We're in the White Tunnel. Bright freaking White Tunnel. So, anyhows, we are uploading the next Chuckmas Vlogmas. Just finishing. And we're going to head back to the van. We're going to get a nap in, and we have a dinner party to go to. Oh, today we're going to do some New Year's Eve shoutouts. So, if you stay tuned, we're going to get into that. Okay, good morning, my friends. Look at this. No freaking hangover. The day after New Year's, and I've got no hangover. And you know what? That means, again, take a sip and say, "Aw, Happy New Year's." That's good stuff. Anyways, got my nap in, waking up, got a pigsty of a mess in the van, but I don't have time to do that because, yeah, we got that dinner to go to. Oh, I'm gonna add 2 clips of me sending a message to my daughters out in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I sent a New Year's message to them, so I'm gonna set that. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know why. I'm sharing all my life with you. See? So here we go. Okay guys, Happy New Year's from Vancouver. It's not 12 here, but I'm sending you the message. I miss you guys. Have a great day. See you. Hey Avery, how are you? Happy New Year's. Miss you, love you. My little mouseketeer. Hi Jaden, love you. Happy New Year's. See you. Okay, that's it for now. Let's get myself cleaned up, dressed up, and get our act together and get this day started. Chuckmas Vlogmas number 10 is about to begin. And wow, just wait, a couple more videos from now, we got some even better awesome stuff. So make sure you stick around and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because who knows what the hell's gonna happen in the next few videos. Look at this, absolute freaking pigsty. I got a wet umbrella I have to dry out. I've got clothes everywhere. I've got to sort clothes for laundry, get rid of some because it's summer, hide them. Oh my god, I hate this mess. I hate it, I hate it. So, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Living in a small space is challenging. They say living in a van is awesome and the greatest thing ever. Not 100%. It has its challenges. See, like look at, I made coffee this morning. I'm fogged up. Between that and the rain we've had the past few days, but you know what? It's sunshine. So I'm opening up all the windows. After I get back from the lunch, I'm gonna air everything out in that van because there's a lot of condensation. Yesterday was the heaviest rain of the year, and I think we're supposed to get more rain 2 days from now. So, it's always a battle, condensation here in Vancouver. What else did I have to add? I don't know. I had something, but my mind is out there in the world. Okay, so what you're gonna see in the couple shots was a traditional Korean New Year's meal. I didn't want to videotape all of it. I kind of just taped a couple portions of it. It's a New Year's meal, special New Year's soup, and just a regular Korean style meal. The other thing, we played a Korean game after. It's kind of like a board game, and instead of dice, they use sticks, and you count your number of jumps you make based on the sticks. The sticks have numbers on both sides. So I just threw that in there just to show you guys what I'm doing. And that's the neat thing about Vancouver and different cultures. Learning a lot of how different people live their lives, the foods they eat, the way they celebrate, whether they celebrate Christmas or not Christmas. So, I'll throw those clips here. Oh, this got to open.
걸. You turn. Call Rina Call. 잡았어. You one more time. You have to move. And then you.
I gotta get another double.
No.
No.
You 잡혔어.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
Good,
And
good.
then one more.
Yeah,
One more. Call more. Call.
Okay.
Okay. Call. Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay. Yeah. That's good.
Better than kick out.
Okay.
나중에 앞으로 대현이
아니 대형이 했으니까.
백도 나오는데.
Call.
Exit. No rain. Drying.
오늘 아침에 해가 나서 너무 좋더라고. 비가 오시면 네, 잘 가. 안녕하세요.
It's time for shoutouts. Okay, let's see if this works here. We got a Happy New Year from Colette. To Chuck and KJ, it's going to be a good year. I can agree with you. 2020 is going to be an incredibly awesome year. So, my next one, hot tub removal. Sorry, I'm doing this while we're waiting for the train. Hot tub removal says Happy New Year, Chuck. And he's got some backwards lettering. Hey, that's my style. Sorry, adjust my glasses. My style is contra, or opposite, so opposite of society and everybody else. So yeah, Happy New Year to you too. It's kind of funny because a friend of mine, a casual friend in Winnipeg, used to own a hot tub company, Krevco hot tubs and spas and pools or whatever it was. Dodge guy, Mopar guy, had a bunch of Mopars. He also had a Cobra kit car for a while, really cool Cobra kit car, 427, really neat deal. He took me for a ride once, very attention-getting. Am I there yet? No. That time. Timothy Keller Van Dweller. Hope you have a great 2020. And again, Happy New Year to you too. 2020 I think is going to be totally freaking far out. So we're looking forward to that. And Timothy was the very first person in Vancouver I met up with and one of my first friends here. So thank you for your friendship. What else? S&P, Happy New Year. I believe the decade has another year to go. Yeah, that might be, but you know what? There's something with the number 2020. It feels like everything's starting new and fresh. So I'm going with that. What else? My ride here. Next ride. Nomadic Van Man. Hey buddy, great video. I guess I won't talk to you till next year. So have a good New Year. Yeah, same to you. Like I say, Nomadic Van Man Wayne, you've been pretty much my best friend here in Vancouver. Really love hanging out with you, and you know what? We got to do a downtown trip coming up very soon. I enjoyed that, and I missed that. So, man, we got to do one. I'm just trying to find time. Static Camper Van Man, there's another good friend of mine, Scott. Man, I'm so grateful for YouTube being able to meet up with you, the opportunity to hang out with a classy guy, a humble guy, one of the best on YouTube for sure. Poondog, that's an interesting name, I love it. Poontang, we won't go there. Damn Chuck, I thought you had phallic fever there for a second. Glad you're okay, hugs. He says that because I said in my last video, I'm ending this. And I meant ending the year and going on to the new one, so that's kind of why. A little bit quick break, but you know what? That's okay. Okay, and the last couple ones I've got is Ramiro Martias. Happy New Year, Chuck. And yes, same back to you, my friend. I had two more here. Two more being Gerald, who says Chuck lives with ducks in Vancouver's liquid sunshine. Happy New Year and delirious decade. Well, yeah, there's no liquid sunshine lately. It's all rain, so that's not a good thing. But you know what? Delirious decade, we will take it. And last one is Chris Holding from Happy New Year from New England. Wow, I gotta figure out where I am. I think this side. New England, wow, that's impressive. I freaking totally love that. And yeah, overseas, freaking that's awesome. Going wrong direction. You know, my family comes from New England, actually London. My grandmother's side, which would make my great-great-grandmother come from New England, was born there and was an assistant to the Queen, personal assistant, many years ago. But anyways, we will end this because I'm lost. I'm supposed to go to work tonight, January 1st. Happy January 1st, guys. So yeah, I think we're going to end this here because I'm lost. I don't know where I am. This is the newer train station and the new mall, which isn't quite open yet, other than one store and a coffee shop maybe, are coming soon. Starbucks. So we're going to end it as usual. Stay awesome, be kind, and we will catch you this year. Really looking forward to it. Thanks for coming along with me and joining me this past year and couple years on my adventures, and this year's even going to be better adventures. Thanks for joining me. Hang on, it's going to be a real wild ride. Cheers.